For me, there's something really satisfying about this sound. Hey there, Internet Keith here, and welcome to the Cars and Keith YouTube channel. And on this video, we're once again trying to find ways to make our life easier when it comes to washing cars. Will this help? This is a pivoting coupler. Never tried one before. I've seen people use it to clean out gutters and that kind of stuff. But let's see how we can use it to clean out wheel wells underneath the car, underneath the front bumper, going from the top down, creating angles so we don't have to turn our hand. We can just hold the gun like this and allow it to spray at the patterns we want. So you see this one's a pretty cool device right here. There's a finish on this plug that I've never really seen before. I don't know what that is, and I'm not sure the quality and how long it'll last, but it seems pretty good quality. The rest is all brass as well. And you have this little pull button right here. When you pull that button up, it just clicks over onto these little holes right here. One more over, clicks right there. Each one of these just allows it to pivot. And also on these pivots, if you're fully this way or fully this way, the actual quick disconnect does not go down all the way. So the nozzle will not come off. So in order to get the nozzle off, you have to be in the 0 position, the 30-degree position this way, or the 30-degree position this way. So the instructions were saying that, but to me, I think actually from this angle, I can get this one out. And if I force it, I can get it in. But it's definitely much safer to do it in these. It's a lot easier to in and out versus when I have this pulled all the way out to the side like that, I have to kind of force it in there. We'll make sure we're being safe, so 0 is probably the best place to do this. So it's gonna look like this on the gun, right there. And this isn't too bulky, this isn't that bad. And then when we put pressure to this, it's gonna hold that in position a lot more, it's not gonna wanna spin. So we do like this, we can get sideways, or if we have it this way, we can get inside the wheel well to clean underneath the car. If we have it this way, we could be above the car and we could be shooting down, especially at the top of the hood or anything like that. It's gonna really help out. Keep you from having to turn your wrist and reach way above the car. Let me tell you what, for me, there's something really satisfying about this sound. That metal on metal, no plastic involved, all brass, stainless steel. So as you see, I've already foamed the car. The sun is creating horrible light, but that's what we got to work with. That way we can show you how I currently rinse off the roof and how this could actually help. Yeah, when the angle my hand and reach up. So I have my nozzle guard I've created in other videos. I'll link that at the end as well. I have it set to its strongest angle, so I'm just sitting here like this and it's pointing straight down. And if I want to reach that far side of the hood, I can just pull it. Run it like this. So I'm basically creating a shorter version of an angled wand, but I have multiple positions for that angle. I don't have to keep swapping out the wands, and I don't like really long wands. I like the short right here. This is about as long as I want to go. Here is a hood action stock. This is 30-degree tip. So it actually works out really well. I think the 30-degree is really good for the car. I think 45 is a little too steep of an angle. Once you get to a certain area of the car where you're reaching over, it's a little too much. The 30-degree is much better. I think where the 45-degree is really going to help is underneath the car, underneath the front bumper, in the rear wheels. Let's try that out. Now most cars are going to have plenty of room to get into the rear wheels. Mine, I don't. Mine's pretty low. Like I can't fit my nozzle in there. That's the main reason I created these nozzle guards. So I didn't want to get too close to the car. So let's try to see if we can get the angle. But I'm going to have to turn my hand a lot to do that. Now let's try that with the other tip. So it's not just getting under the front bumper itself here, which as you can see it's really low, but it's getting here, 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 without having to turn your hand upside down. Now we can also turn the gun sideways and turn the angle straight up. If you had a car that was much higher off the ground, you definitely would be able to clean a lot better. I'm actually really liking this angle just for normal rinsing. So actually the 30 degree works really well. It's nice control, it doesn't hurt your wrist. And the cool thing is when you do a 30 degree this way, and then you just turn and get a little bit of an angle. Like I said, the 30 degree, it doesn't hurt your hand, but if you put it on 45 degree, you can watch. When I put on 45 degree, watch what it does to my hand. It wants to put too much pressure on that. 30 degree, it has an exit point that's much straighter, so it doesn't want to kick up. So the rear end of the car, 45 degree, you see I can get it all the way up underneath here. Like I said, I can also turn it sideways and have this facing straight up like this. That works pretty good. Also 30 degree for these areas right here. It just works so much better this way. Also on the wheels, you know, when you're shooting straight, you're just shooting and cleaning the front, but there's also an underside right here that soap likes to linger and drip from right here. Alright, so that's it for this short video. Not a whole lot to talk about, but I really like this device. And like I said, turn down like this really helps to clean out gutters. But at that 30 degree angle, I think it really helps you clean your car. Links below. It's between $12 and $15 on Amazon, depending on whether or not you can get a sale. Amazon's really crazy. I had a pressure washer the other day that was $290. And it was $202 for 2 days. I put it on my description. When everybody clicked on the link, it went back to $290. So you guys really got to keep checking Amazon and looking for those best deals. That's what I do all day long. But like I said, works out really well. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. So it's going to look like this. So I have my nozzle guard right here. Yikes, I fell over. Why am I not? There we go. Why does it keep missing my face? There we go. I gotta work through the chainsaw.